are not authorized to access this facility.
This is the Open-Air Museum in Hakone. I think I saw PewDiePie here on YouTube once. I think PewDiePie came here. It's like a arty-farty type situation here. Open air. Apparently there's everything. Picasso, famous people. They're so funny. The kids are so funny. Oh, I remember this one over here. Yeah, this was on the. I saw it on the PewDiePie. I don't know why I'm watching PewDiePie. Only because it came up because he lives in Japan now. Anyway, yeah, he moved to Japan. Him and his Italian wife. They had a kid. That's how old YouTube is. This one here. I don't know what this is, some sort of underground. You're gonna get claustrophobia, Rob. Remember the plane. I don't know. Go in there and sit down. I don't know where I am. Where are you? Rob, where are you? That was scary. I can't breathe. I'm pretty sure that was a Japanese installation. So small. Kind of reminds me of the sculptures of Bondi. Somewhere to go from left to right. It's a little funny one, eh, Jerry? It's a funny one. This way. Okay, so this is why you don't come on the weekend, Jerry. You have a little rest. Huh? Throw another prawn on the barbie. Yes, you're a naughty girl, Jerry. You're always laughing, eh? You're always laughing, Jerry. Good girl. There I went years ago with Jerry. Let's see if I can do some weird tricks. Some arty-farty shots here. Okay, this is open air cinema or something, is it? Open air. I think I'll have to sit down here. Let's chill out here. Ah, nice and soft and warm. It's freezing today. So this is day Thursday, Friday, technically day 3, but really my second day of the holiday in Japan for a tripper deal. So this is a paid extra. I think it's 150,000 yen, which is about 130 bucks, 140 bucks, and you get to go to Hakone. And in Hakone, there's the Open-Air Museum, which is where we are now. and you get to go to the lake Hakone, a view of Mount Fuji. So let's see what I can do here. Maybe go this way and see if we can get those people in the middle of these squares. Is there anyone? Oh yeah, quick. It's so funny. They're very good. Yeah, very strong. It's beautiful, crisp air here. It's beautiful. I think because it's been so hot at home and humid, coming here, I don't mind it. I don't mind the coldness. It's like a crisp spring morning. But yeah, so far I really like Japan. It's a special, like, the city was okay, but once you come out here, it's unreal. This is like the Japan that I envisioned. I mean, I do like the neon lights and that, which I'll probably see tonight. Oh wow, look at the carp. It reminds me of when my dad went to Italy back in the 70s. Casera? I think it was Casera. Oh, look at this one. There I am. So small. It's so small in the world. We are so small in the world. There you go, Rob. You're insignificant. There's a lot to take in here. I mean, I'm not going to take a photo of everything. Hey, Rob. Hey, Jerry. No. Oh, the maze. Huh. There's the maze, and then there's... This will make a good crunchy, dramatic tone, I think. Yeah, fill the frame. Adults are not allowed to play in this area. Oh, piss off then. I was going to go jump around. Here we go. Let's go to the Hobbit town. Hakone Bilbo Baggins. Maybe not. Oh, it's the toilets. It's the toilet. I thought it was an installation. It's the bloody toilet. Okay, let's go into the maze. That is no claustrophobic moment. Okay, just remember where you are. That's not where we are. This way. Oh, that would have been a good shot. The red jacket. Let's chase. Ready? What a perfect jacket for a photo. That one. I think I am lost already. Hopeless. I think I'm lost. I think I really am lost. This way. I really am lost. This way. I'm lost and dizzy. Now I'm dizzy too. Wrong way. Wrong way. Oh, wrong way. This way. It's supposed to come out the other end. Okay, it's not funny anymore. I'm running out of water. I think we just have to follow the leading path down. Yeah. So it all leads down to one bottom part here. This one. This way. Yeah, this way. This way. No. This way, maybe not. Oh shit. I think I'll just come back the way I came. I think I better turn the camera off because I think I'm embarrassing myself. Okay, that's the center. It is this way. How embarrassing. I'm so embarrassed. Put it in mono mode. The old mono. Black and white. Silhouette. I should spot meter, but natural framing. I don't know. Maybe. Anyway, and then flip it back to colour. And there you go. I mean, I could just push the mono button anyway, but in the mono dial, you can change a bit more tonality and all that stuff. But black and white's good, and just get the raw file and do it in post. So these buttons kind of defeat the whole purpose, really. For me anyway, but if you want to get creative, maybe one day. There's a shot. Okay, I think this is the Picasso place. So Picasso inspired or actual Picasso pieces? I'm not sure. I have to do it. I kept the shadows just so to keep it PG rated. So it looks like all the trees are all bare. It's going to take probably 2 more weeks before they start flowering again. So it's kind of like still winter, I guess. And the cherry blossoms are supposed to come out. How come that one's out? That's not real, is it? That can't be real. How can that be real? There's no other cherry blossoms around. Maybe if it's warm enough. There's the family. There you go, family. Family. I like the shadow there. Family. Family, Jean. Family. This has to be the most beautifulest day. What a top day to come here. The sun is really nice, it's not too cold and just crisp. And there's cherry blossoms, what more do you want? Just some peace and quiet, Rob. Just shut up a little bit and just enjoy it. Who doesn't speak Japanese, that actually says up. Thanks for that. Thanks, Rob. As for learning Japanese, I am absolutely hopeless. I have not learned one word except Hayu goizaimasu. Hayu goizaimasu. Or Hayu goizaimasu. I'll probably get up there, but I don't really want to. Let's try this side. I think this side. Maybe not. Okay, there's just too much. You can't stuff around, Rob. There's too much, not enough time. I've got to head back. I've got to eat. This is our lunch break and the museum at the same time. There's just too many photo opportunities. Look at that, that's unreal. Rob, you've only got 10 minutes to bloody eat. Quickly. It's going to take you 10 minutes to get back there. Then we're off to up a cable cart mountain, up to the top of that mountain over there, in a cable cart. So we're doing it in the reverse order. So hopefully, actually, if we get late, 5 o'clock, we might be up on the mountain at 5 o'clock, and I should get some good light of Mount Fuji. There you go. So you never know. Okay, that was it. Let's go eat. Choko Noro Moro dining.